No way.
What's weird is my slide hammer had the exact same threads as the axle, and that made removing it pretty darn easy. And other than a few stubborn bolts, getting these control arms out of here was actually pretty easy, and funny fact, it was easier than my rear-wheel drive G80. The front suspension on these things are completely different rear-wheel drive to all-wheel drive.
That's just about everything, finally. Tie rod, I think that's it.
Getting the inner tie rod off was really the only part I struggled with, and that's mainly because of where I was laying, in the dirt and leaves.
Come on. Does not want to move.